go kumeni yebekeni wa mena Jioma no me yopore no mama bon
All my gualo, we buy I told him, a person they look for you for outside. I made me say, man, no, my taste the person. Come on,
I can't get no one to me, but why you get a man all day?
Are you the laugh for inside?
Yes,
they enjoy. Your husband don't come. Anabe husband. You know say Anabe husband and soldier. Or that for a soldier no. Anabe husband, you know say na soldier.
I don't know my head.
You still there here. They will finish you here now.
I
laugh it. Idiot. Yes, I get. They enjoy the shop chicken leg. They enjoy. Chemetic boy.
Hello, Chris. Why you?
Yes, I don't come out. But why you tell me say you never marry? When you know say you don't marry?
What? Give me marry name.
Yes, your husband is a soldier, is an army.
When? Army. Is you? What do you marry Jimmy? After my way.
La. Everybody calling, Lao.
Negative. Okay, no problem. No problem at all. I know who is behind this. No problem. You are not my way, worry. No problem.
Hey, call him, I don't. No, please. Hey, call him, On a point, what do I move?
Austin. When no job here.
This party, I did that tsunami. Why allow? They don't see me. I mean, I falling.
Austin.
Anabe, Afana.
I mean, they no sense in anything.
Anabe, why you they talk to me anyhow this afternoon? What's happen? You dream see me? Oh, I mean, why are you getting a women?
What's your marriage? What do you marriage men? What we are telling me visitor we go Amia wa marry no ba.
Me talk to your visitor. When?
Austin will pay us rent in the memory.
They don't need us to know.
What rent so one Amia?
Please, they talk to me anyhow.
Stay away from me. Stay away from me. First time we are drinking no sense.
Anabe, what are you talking
Stay
about?
Away from me. Avoid me. Avoid me.
Well, they avoid me too.
Avoid me.
Avoid me too.
If not.
Where he came back here, she quitting. Avoid waiting. I better avoid me. No come spoil my mood when I want to go party. I must enter this party where today. You know, you just get anyhow you want to spoil my mood. Etobi. What do you think say the...
Osti. They no more boy problem boy.
Anabe, don't come again.
Oh, they will make a watch shift.
But
One
I
compress,
feel ask
one
you
strong
one
way
question.
yo.
Make me ask you a question. Not only you want this company.
But then now let me want this company.
Yes. You they pay for this compound like they pay. See how your clothes just see pants. You just sign everything.
Let make you call the
You
compress
not
my
see me
clothes.
when-
You want sew your own.
This one are clothes. You talk about this cellophane. Cellophane.
Osti, you
Ah,
pay me
what
cellophane.
na eh?
I'm going to say,
Me
Iraq,
ati
you
designer si.
the Ragina.
Amani. Yare yo fen na.
The Ragina.
Oh, cellophane. Mo. Me are Amani yo fen.
Osti, you make it away.
Amani are yo
Just
fen.
thank God I'm in a good mood. If not,
E mood ni me legere ma. De o mo na me complexe ya afile ya kwa.
yeah, you got to go away. You know, all women are kayak Philip.
Ige no gun. O ganya rien. Bo se nu golo. Ai beruwe. Agbegbo a ki yourself.
Yeah, bros.
Hello. Wetin dey what are you looking for?
Good afternoon. Annabelle house.
Who you dey look for? You
I look
say
for Annabelle.
Annabelle. You be brother.
I be friend.
Annabelle no dey house. Annabelle travel for a while now. He never reach us.
I'm telling me say the house.
You dey call me liar. Be I dey tell you
No,
say
bros, I don't call you
Annabelle no dey
liar.
house. You dey talk another thing.
You tell me say the house just snatch away.
I say Annabelle no dey house. Make you dey go. Annabelle no dey house.
Make you dey quarrel.
I say Annabelle no dey house. Make you dey go where they go. Before you carry mop for head.
What do?
Oh, we may roll one. You roll one now. Of course, you roll one. Okay. Osti, muda. I said, wait. What could somebody visit on a roll one?
Igbe na we a. Only you waiting me. Sting. Me agota me visi. I visu ti we.
No, me the gates. Look at me. We roll one.
Madam. Madam. Egbe owe. Make boy wa owe. Did that look like a gate man in your eyes?
And are you better than a gate?
Egbe man dey run away at all. Are you fever worry away? Who you kun yere all love we na? We are name it. Wa kia. So much. O man egbo you don't know yourself oh. You know yourself at all. Be no more apartment now become. I don't know. It mean in landlord you were woman. Cause he go egon last week o ma o no hon. Because be no ya like the are. O like the are. Ona pa no bare. O you wanna ya ki on we gbe akia. Well, by the way, we were say now we may take back we may say no buy a family asire. Ama wo do mo wo bowe. E ku we mu me. O we ye ba ma no yi moto winner. You be all you will e ku we mu me. Very show no man in there. Asking. Boewa.
Odi me. Ashawo. Osti me ashawo. Me ashawo abi. When me responsible say we me ashawo. God. In my apartment in the Domo. I don't know what is wrong with this guy. Me. Ashawo. Okay. Me. Ashawo. Yes. Who is it? Hi. Me. Okay. No, the one Austin. Oh, expensive. Yes. Girlfriend or gay, I'll be just a friend. Austin is my boyfriend. Are you for real? And boyfriend. So, when do I expect me?
Why? I don't understand. Why? I'm not tired. I don't understand.
Okay, sorry to say, because different guests or say her. And right now, so I'm talking to you.
Are you one of them?
Excuse me? Yes, my house. Like, go and see for yourself.
My Austin. Austin! Austin!
Hello, Dave.
Hey, holiday! Austin!
Austin.
Oh my God, I can't even believe this. Wait, please. So to what you were not you were seeing, woman pick a call.
What are you talking about?
Oh my God, is it like, please hold it! Austin! So you are a shit!
Men cheat on you. I can never cheat on
Who were what you were? And not you were seeing, you refused to pick my calls.
Baby mama, baby mama, who you? You're my
Stop,
baby
please.
Baby, I love you.
You have been deceiving me with those words.
No, don't say
Please.
that. Baby,
Stop.
Let's go
Stop
inside and
touching
talk.
me. No, I'm not going inside. Don't worry. Just enjoy yourself with that.
You come
that
on in
slot
now.
you put inside.
Baby, you come on in and
Excuse
shit.
me.
No, baby, don't do this, man. Baby. Shit. Again, I'm gonna run that girl down. He ain't through the they tell the truth, man. I'm not best step into now. Jeez. Yeah, make sure we me you to igbe wa we yo mi zo eto. I'm a be ejiri. I'm a be mu wali. Gosh. Jeez. I'm a be mu wali.
Annabelle.
Okay.
Okay, Lord, wait on sir.
Austin.
Wait on sir.
Wakoya.
Okay.
Mato.
Oui.
This house is not there for about 10 years. Don't they exist before we not to enter. What are not there. And number 2, they say, face me, I face you. Now people, they get wahala. If you don't want to get wahala with them, you go carry flat. I be not be so.
Now so.
Why in a me where worry flat on a rogue, ya only neighbor we do. Idunaya. All my neighbor they report to me almost every day as soon as they quarrel, almost fight. Me don't know what you now see. Not be passengers on a day. They will not go see a zone why. Now what they cause this kind of
Ask Austin. No.
Una too. You not get children. You never get wife. You never get husband. Talk less of say now na children shit for ground, now na children take stone at each other. Boy it up.
Okay, now this bad dead, this prostitute when you put for this house. Now they cause all this whole issue.
Yeah.
Okay, I fit tell you say security no dey this compound o. As I dey talk to you now, security no you boys when they enter this compound they dey on a daily money no kun la man. Ori pata visit ami melela wa. Na do gbe mu awasun. These people when they carry rascal, all of them they enter this compound now. And that kind thing no the enough they happen for you.
Then come your place.
The people who they talk to, it's not your apartment.
Okay, now inside this compound they enter now. We no come get security.
I don't know.
Oga.
Security no show up.
Now that's not the problem.
I wish they mean no say person like this one. This one where they smoke igbo so this one dey this house. I for no get wetin I wan do for this. I may lie mana. May they lie mana kaka. This may dey igbo ma very na no go na. Nege ma make peace.
Oga. Now because say you sit down here na me back now my hand for don't move reach 3 times.
You no do anything. You know.
Oga, now you went there na my hand for don't move reach 3 times since. This one when they pra so.
To Peter. Now in that family now, your hand move na Peter.
You know me oh.
I go
No fit do anything.
wait now. I go greet one man. When I go greet him, as we dey talk, one woman come dey cry, dey come. When they don't reach where the man dey, he just start to dey cry. Hey, he just carry himself go up, knock ground. What happened? What happened? He say mama die, say mama die. They call the whole land. That the man say make them leave. He said, I said, well, no. He said before he come work out this year, why he not fall for that side? Why can't be say he reach where people dey before he come the before say he want die, say mama die? Why you not beat am before I come now? I beat am, you can't stay. My woman can't give you power, me you take beat am.
Oga Lord, I don't swerve and resistance. Now dodge, they dodge am. I dey give am before you know they put body. Yeah, I for by now, maybe na hospital you for call us, me will come settle this issue.
Yeah, my brother, me I like quarrel too. Or money they take for quarrel sometimes. But I want one for this house. They're gonna take time.
Okay, you go tell them. What time we don't stay away from me. Stay away from Anambra. Stay away from my apartment.
Most especially as it be say I don't stay here. If anybody die for ground, police call me if I come. If I spend 1 day for police station, it be like say you spend 1 year for them because I go enter there and go see the view. Then they say I don't stay for them. And they go pay, they go watch. Okay. Now, for now good though.
Okay.
If you want fight, people na kill yourself. No problem.
Oga Lord, I thank God say you come today. Me don't dey get am for my say I will call you ever since. Because I know if we stay this place, I know if we stay this apartment with this idiot, with this fool, with this salad.
You know what will happen? If you want sweep for inside your room, make your broom not the enter our home for passage. Make you the sweep for your dormant, you go pack your sasa. You, if you want sweep too, make you the remove am.
Now not the rich ammo. Now you define me, me not define.
Okay, not be the same passage na dey.
No, now you define.
I did my apartment.
I'm sorry for now. Oh, it be a kind of war. You like her?
This one. This Ashawo will know better.
What's it mean they use you they do? What use you do?
I don't want general.
It is saying that
hey, don't do. Because you sit down for up, now you do. Not be say I want general, not be pastor. I only ask question. You like her?
Okay, I don't like her. Even though say she they shake that anya, she they carry her body.
That means she they look at me sometimes.
I don't like her. I don't like her.
You like her?
If they give me 5 million, add and join them, I know they carry. My leg, oh. My leg. Jesus, my leg.
Who they make noise? And they relax for inside power. Who they make noise there?
My leg.
What did happen to your leg?
I just fall.
You see, my prayers they work. Oh God. Baba, all my enemies now so they will take ground. Your name, me help you up. Go punish that you. Go punish that you. If I say man, mash you mash your joint ground now. You won't spoil relationship when you use 5 years. Till build, you spoil that for me. You never fall. Oh, we are you know me. You know young when you talk. You hear about more 1 year. They'll say Satan. Now you be Satan. It's so he. Pinch your face now. Your sickness there. I want sleep afternoon sleep. Not be they pay my strength on me. May God punish you with your leg there.
Austin.
Now your neck you will break, Jenna.
Help me up. See,
I will mash you now. God will punish you there. You will break. You never see anything. Oh. Now let leg near the apple so. Baby, who we are badly? Who we are you know now? Who you are you talk? You call my leg, lucky, lucky boy. Ow, come with me, can mash drink. Oh, she, no mama, kill you there. Maybe your mama go maybe and my leg, go with me back. So, mama.
Austin! Salobwa. Oh, I'm going to know I'm serious. You're going to Jesus.
Alasika. Right about now, I want to prophesy. Receive your prophecy.
You are in the new, you understand? The wrong impression where she's just a friend to me. You understand? Or say, I'm backing. We are just casual friends. You understand? And if you know how to work with any, she's a very, very decent girl. You understand? She's a very decent girl. So if there's anything.
Oh, we are going to make now.
So she informed me that she wants to park.
Annabelle, my neighbor.
So I'm a bomb. So
your neighbor remember why I park my mind.
I love you, not be crying. Baby, I need you, not be lying. Your love they touch in my brain. Baby, you sweet past sugar cane.
I love you, not be crying. Baby, honey, I need you, not be lying. Oh yeah, you the doctor in my brain. In a talk,
baby, anybody will want come between us.
Away, I can need the love of Romano.
Runda, where baby, mama now.
Oh, the only getting a love,
baby, anybody will want come between us.
Away, I can need the love and talk.
Runda, walk, yani mewe moe.
I see the Purugo, my love for Nawano.
My love for you, not be play love. My love for you, not be mune love. Oh. Baby, you are the sugar in my tea, the butter in my bread. Only pass me the love. Make sure they say your love not for real. However, Benny Marena. Oh, yeah.
Please, I am not in the mood. Please.
Maru we gui, we know the quarrel.
How come the boy now? Maru we gui, the company now. Oh, see, we're going to believe you, Maru we gui. Gonna say Annabelle, Maru we gui. Please, just leave me alone. Stay out of my way, please.
Annabelle, see, in this compound, I jealousy Maru we.
Only Maru we.
You will not be best neighbor for this compound. Wait till they happen. Annabelle, calm down now.
Don't touch me, please. See, Austin, Lawobo, out of my way.
Annabelle, please, can you just please give me 1 minute? Let me explain things to you. Please, just give me a minute. Let me explain some things to you.
A minute, right?
Yeah,
no problem.
Please.
And then you have to be fast about it. Sege.
Annabelle, first and foremost, Annabelle, you only go away. Annabelle, I love you. Annabelle, I love you. Oh, you haven't behaved the way you behave since then. That's why I've been behaving that way. Because you are me, we are not legal. I'm going gaga for the. Oh, you are me. So what's in another reality?
Keep your love to yourself. No, out of my way. I said, leave me alone.
Annabelle, calm down. I just want you to know I love you. I can't leave. Mate, spend the day now. With me or anything. It's better you just take a gun and shoot me down wet by your compound. I can't leave.
Okay, I don't know why we're too happy. Because it's late. Apartment in the stage, we paid Johnny. Okay? Please.
Annabelle, I did my research very well. That was why I went to your Facebook page. I checked details of account. I already transferred 400,000 to you.
You sent me 400,000?
Of course I did. Because I love you. You might only lose you. Lao, Annabelle, Lao. Please. Just give me a chance. Lao.
What's in this for?
Of course, most in there because you were anyway, Lao. Annabelle, please. Just give me a chance. Let me prove how much I love you.
See, Austin, the thing is, ultimately like you, I love you. It's like you, but your attitude, the way you do what the discouragement from your body. Right now, as you can see, it's too late. I can't come. Oh, stay.
Anybody will want come between us.
Away, makanije love atokanu.
Runda wo piani mewe moe.
Nasine burugo my love for na wano.
My love for you no be play love. My love for you no be mune love. Oh. Baby, you are the sugar in my tea, the butter in my bread. Only pass me the love. Make sure they say your love not for real. Awewe beni mavena, oye ge efo. Vi megi kwa lohia ve sokoto, ugumerema vi sokoto. Baby, I want to in the cocoa. Let them know say my love no be ojoro. Who is it the guiding? My beautiful bubble is smiling. Oh yeah, pass me the love. Make I let them know say your love not real. It's Tino Zina on the beats. Fire Globe Production. Oluwa bless me when I'm young. I know I hold before my blessing come. Baba bless me when I'm young. I know I hold before my blessing come. All my life I give to you because I know make better. Every day I dey call on you because I know make better. Baba, did you want the ratio? This life is not friendly at all. If you bless me, if you bless me, if you bless me, if you bless me, Baba, if you bless me, I no go ever disappoint. Oh, Baba, if you bless me, oh no. After the walk, I dey pray to God. When no sign man, even the boy you know God did no them. Iga use no ruwa mo. Oh, baby to me. On a sending now we no way to me. Baba, from grass to grace I pray. From zero to hero I call on you. Give me double promotion, no daddy. Baba, give me better connection, no, for my life. Whoa, so no one get Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They don't walk over me. They don't walk get Brambo.
Equipment, Chukuma, Onyolu Ekubi, Papa Kosirimo.
If you bless me, if you bless me, if you bless me, if you bless me, Baba, if you bless me, I no go ever disappoint. Oh, Baba, if you bless me, oh no. Eso sa mami na fueke. Eso sa forever amazing is your foe. Amazing is your foe. Osaya voleme, dige ebo biwale. Eruni na vavana he, eruni na vubieo, eruni na vasona he. Baba erumeo, eruni na vubiena he, eruni na vavana, eruni na vason baba. Iwe no erume. If you bless me, if you bless me, if you bless me, Baba, if you bless me, I no go ever disappoint. Oh, Baba, if you bless me, oh.